Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome. So it's been about 2.5 years since I straightened my hair. I think this might be the longest time that I've ever gone between straightening sessions. So I've been craving straight hair now for a while, and I got really excited when Irresistible Me contacted me about sending a flat iron to try out. I had all these style ideas planned. I was like thinking about like makeup and outfits that I was gonna do while I was rocking the straight hair, because it's basically like the Halley's Comet. It comes by so infrequently when I wear my hair straight that it was like an event. I even set aside my straightening products, you know, my silicone-y stuff, the stuff that's gonna help me with heat protection. But then the world closed down and I didn't want to waste my straight hair moment on my living room and my bedroom and my roommate. I didn't want to straighten my hair until I could fully enjoy it, but I still wanted to share with you guys information about the flat iron in case you're looking for a new one. I gave mine away to my cousin because she was using it on her hair and her daughter's hair at the time and just getting a lot more mileage out of heat styling. I have this lovely, the Irresistible Me Diamond Flat Iron is what I'm gonna be using when I do eventually straighten my hair. Hopefully by the fall, around my birthday maybe, would be a good time to straighten. My mom unexpectedly had to do Kennedy's hair, so she and I have similar hair types. We both have really thick hair. I would say her curl pattern is slightly looser than mine and her hair is slightly finer than mine, but she's the closest in the family to my hair twin, so she is a good representation of actually what this flat iron can do. So this is kind of like a part 1 of 2 video. It comes in this very nice matte black box. Whenever it's safe to travel again, it's very sleek and compact, so you can take it with you if you want to rock straight hair, if you want to put some curls into maybe blow-dried hair while you're out and about. It's a good size to put into a carry-on or into your suitcase. The temperature automatically displays in Celsius or Fahrenheit depending on where you are in the world. So as long as you have a suitable adapter, you are good to go. Here's what the box looks like on the inside. I think it is so cool that it has like the specs of it right there. We've got information about the diamond technology, the cool tips feature. Speaking of diamond technology, that's actually how this flat iron gets its name, the Irresistible Me Diamond Flat Iron. It has crushed up diamond particles that are mixed with tourmaline to form the plates of the flat iron. So those little sparkly particles that you see right there are the crushed up diamonds. So those two combined help to maintain your hair's natural oils while also maintaining hair color, keeping your hair shiny, frizz-free, and healthy. The flat iron also has a nice long 360-degree swivel cord, so it moves with you. Flat iron is not bulky at all, it's really lightweight. It's 1 inch, and I was a little bit concerned because you guys know I have a lot of long, thick, coarse hair. In the past, I've gone between 1 inch to 1.5 inch flat irons. Seeing it demonstrated on Kennedy was really good because my mom, she's the one that does my hair whenever I straighten it. She uses smaller sections, and it's also recommended that you use smaller sections when you're flat ironing versus bigger sections to get a straighter result. So the fact that it is 1 inch is good because my mom usually just does a section of hair that's no more than 1 inch wide anyway when she's straightening our hair. So it's good that the buttons here are on the inside, nice and protected, so you don't accidentally cut it off and wondering like, why am I nothing's happening. It's also very user friendly. There are only 3 buttons, and as well as on the outside here it has the intelligent heat display, so you're able to see the temperature throughout the entire time that you're styling your hair, which for someone like me who's really scared of heat damage, that is really reassuring. So that's here. And then the 3 buttons are really simple. You just got the power button right here, this circular button, and these are the 2 heat adjusters that you can go up in temperature or lower depending on your hair type and the type of style that you're looking for. It also gets hot really quickly. It has smart technology, so it can reach its max temperature of 450 degrees in only 15 seconds. So that's really quick. I've plugged it in, so now we're going to, and you can see here that it's already heating up. It actually stops at 430 degrees, but you can easily move it to 450 if you want to use it on the max heat setting to click the temperature gauge button. I find that my sweet spot, my comfort level for not being like super hyper scared of heat damage, I like to keep it between 400 to 420 degrees, ideally closer to more of the 400 range. Getting into our before and after for Kennedy's hair, my mom, as I mentioned, she does my hair. I do not know how to flat iron my hair. I blow dry my hair twice in my entire life, but as far as using a flat iron, I am not coordinated to the point where I can do it successfully, and I have just so much hair that just is such a daunting task, and I need someone else to help me. So whenever I want to straighten it, my mom is my go-to person. She doesn't get it bone straight, and that's okay. It's straight enough for me, but I always like the results when she flat irons my hair. And Kennedy's hair turns out pretty similar to mine, and my mom uses the same technique on my hair that she does on Kennedy. She's not a trained stylist at all. She's just trained in long, thick, curly hair from doing so many heads of hair in our family over the years. Then my mom blow dried Kennedy's hair, and then she moved into using the flat iron for the finishing straightened look. Kennedy's hair about 3 weeks ago, and it's still straight even though Kennedy works in a garden center. I live in Virginia and it's almost May, so humidity is a part of the game here. Her hair is still straight 3 weeks later. It still looks really good, really soft. To keep things nice and safe, this flat iron also has a 30-minute auto shut-off feature, so in case you happen to forget to unplug it for some reason, it will automatically turn off after that time, which is good. Since my mom is going to be the one actually using the flat iron, I wanted to get her opinion on how she felt as she was using it. We've had so many flat irons over the years, from the time that my hair was relaxed up until now when I want the occasional straight style. We've had a Solia, we've had several Cheese, we've had a Sea-Doo, we've had a lot of flat irons. So I wanted to know her opinion on how she felt about this one, since she's used so many of them on our hair. And she said that she liked the fact that this one heated up so quickly, felt it was easy to maneuver through Kennedy's hair, and she also liked the fact that there was no tugging as she was moving her hair through the plaits, which is something that I've personally experienced. It doesn't feel good. It's not good for the hair as far as to prevent heat damage. After seeing Kennedy's results, I am very excited for when I can rock my hair straight, because 2.5 years is a long time. I love my curls more than anything, but I do like straight hair as well. So not only does Irresistible Me have a variety of different flat irons, they also have clip-in extensions, hair extensions. So if you just want to change your look, they're a really good one-stop shop to check out. I also have a coupon code that you can use on your first order to get 20% off, and the code is GET20OFF. I'll post it somewhere up here as well. That code is permanent. It's not going anywhere. It'll work forever. The only exception is that sometimes Irresistible Me has site-wide sales, so you can't use the 20% on top of the site-wide sale, but in that instance the sale is usually more than 20%. So I'll have the link down below to where you can check this flat iron out, as well as the other goodies that Irresistible Me has to offer. It will definitely be a part 2 sometime in the future, whenever outside opens back up and I can wear my hair straight. And I had like so many cute outfits planned. I was gonna try to wear it on a date. If you guys have seen my Tinder video, I'm still talking to the guy who I went on the date with, even though we haven't gone on a date in a long time, and that was before the quarantine, but that's a whole separate video. But I was hoping to, you know, go out with him and like show him like my new little look. So if we're still talking when I straighten my hair again, I'm excited about that. But someone's gonna see that straight hair. Someone So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. That would be awesome. And I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you then. Bye.